Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another project share. So this is just a really quick one to show you some kits I've been cutting, and just to kind of show the person who's going to get the kit like how to put it together. So this is a kit I got, I want to say it's the KS Craft Store. I would try to put my information below. Sorry, it's really hard when they don't put the name of the company, and then I just get my order and I don't know who it's from because I order from all over the place. But anyway, it makes this like a box. So you get these two pieces here. You have to cut two of these because that puts your box together. If you want to put a window like I did, then you can use this piece here to put in the window. And then this piece here is the cover in case you want to put a flap. See how it has that part here? And then this part is the it's like a frame for this, so in case you want like a lacy frame for it. I didn't cut that because I don't know if that person likes that kind of stuff. And then this is fringe. I don't know, I think it's more for the box part. That's my guess. Oh, I don't know, it's kind of short. I'm not sure what that's for. And then it comes with the word Candy Kiss. So it is meant to be like a candy box, like a candy bar box. It's not very thick or like deep, so if you want to put like a fatter type of candy bar, it probably won't fit. I would stick to something more like a Hershey's or something kind of flatter. Like I'm sure even M&M's would fit in here, but just not like the real fat type. I think I watched Catalina's, I can't remember her name, her tutorial on it, and she tried to put 100-gram bar in it and it wouldn't fit. So anyway, just kind of keep all that in mind when you're working on your project. So this is just to show the person that I'm making the kits for what I did. So I made one for that person so they can kind of see. This is using the Hey Crafty Girl paper collection by Simple Stories. So you would just attach it here. Hopefully I lined it up nicely. It might not be perfect. And then that's how you assemble your box. And then this flap attaches here when you bend it down. I did cut out the hole so that it can be like a shaker if you want it. And this one I did it as an example. I attached two pieces of acetate together and just put some flat sequins in it just so it's more fun. And then this is actually the lid. So when your box will kind of look like that. And then if you want to put the flap, you can. It'll be like this, and it'll fold over the top like that. So then you can put additional, you can decorate the top here. You can actually put something here, and then they can see what's inside. So you don't have to put candy, obviously. You can put other stuff like embellishments or other candies, like smaller candies. I'm pretty sure nuggets will fit, so you can decorate the nuggets and stick it inside. But I just wanted to give the person an option. So that is one kit. I did give 2 pieces of acetate with each kit in case they wanted to make a shaker, but they don't even have to make a shaker. They can just put the acetate so that you can see inside, and that would be fine enough. This is the second one, with the hearts. It's cute, y'all. And then the third one just has flowers. I like the inside is nice. And then the fourth one, I really like this one. I think this paper is super pretty. So again, this is that Hey Crafty Girl collection that I got earlier. But I just wanted to share that because I thought, again, I think what I like about this swap is that because I'm doing a lot of kits, it's forcing me to kind of go through my dies to see what I can put together pretty quickly, and I'm enjoying it because I can actually see like, oh, I should just use that die. Look how fast it was for me to put a project together. Anyway, that is all I have for you today, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey everyone, I'm back. Okay, so earlier I showed you what was in the contents in this bag, and I didn't do it as a waterfall. I just stuck all of the kits together in one. And then I just packaged it like how everyone just normally does it, using like a bag topper. But I had gone through my stash of bows that I had made for Christmas during Christmas in July. I know my swap partner likes bling, so I chose the one with the bling, and it kind of matched the flowers here. And then I did what I did on the other one, where I attached it to the paper clip. And then I decided to, I had already pre-mixed this mixture for the first one that I did, so I just bagged up the rest and stuck it in here, so in case you wanted to make it into a shaker using the same colors. And then I had this journal bits and pieces that came with the collection that I didn't plan on using, so I decided to include that in case you wanted to use that to help embellishment the rest of the kits. Okay, so that is the candy box kits, and there's 4 in there. I will link it with the first one so that you can see what was inside, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.